12x positive 28 divided by 4 negative s over 13 equals to r times x negative 8. In the given equation, s and r are constants and s is greater than 0. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of s? Okay, here in the given equation, we have to find the value of the constant s over here. Okay, now let's do some simplification in the given equation. Okay, here when I consider this particular term, we have the divisor 4 for this expression. That is, this 4 is a common divisor for 12x and positive 28. Now what we can do is we can take this divisor 4 separately for this 12x and 28. Then I'm getting 12x over 4 positive 28 over 4 negative s over 13. On the right side, we can distribute this r to this x and negative 8. Then I'm getting rx. When I distribute this r to this negative 8, I'm getting negative 8r. Okay, here 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 12 three times. And here 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 28 7 times. Then we get 3x over here, positive 7 negative s over 13. On the right side, we can write the stuff as it is. That is rx negative 8r. Here we have a linear expression, here we have a linear expression. The two linear expressions are equal. On the left side, the x term is 3x and we have to consider this 7 negative s over 13 as constant term. And also the question says the given equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, since this equation has infinitely many solutions, the coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side must be equal. That is 3 equals to r. And also the constant term on the left side and the constant term on the right side must be equal because the equation has infinitely many solutions. That is 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8r. Okay, now our aim is to solve for s, that is we have to get the value of s. We know that the value of r is 3. We can plug in this 3 for r over here. Then I'm getting, let me do it over here, that is 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8 times 3. Then we get 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8 times s and negative 24. Okay, now let me subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Then this positive 7, negative 7 will cancel. Then I'm getting s over 13 equals to, when I combine negative 24 and negative 7, I am getting a negative 13. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 13. Let me do it. When I do so, this 13 will cancel out. When I multiply negative 31 and 13, I am getting a negative 403. That is a negative s equals to negative 403. Our aim is to get the value of s, so we have to get up this negative sign. Okay, let's multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. When I multiply this negative s by negative 1, I am getting s. When I multiply this negative 403 by negative 1, I am getting 403. So here I got the value of s. The value of s is 403.